fucking jerk under a bridge alert. I'm an idiot too. I guess I'm not a punk, cause I start getting drunk and puking all over my shoes.
Pues yo me voy a correr un poquito, como hago cada mañana. Pues, un poquito de jogging para sudar la cerveza.
Well, everything's okay with me. Well, everything's okay with me. Well, everything's okay, oh yeah. Well, I'm in love with you too.
Here is he, the crazy Spanish guy. He had a coffee, finally arriving at the towers. Yes, big one, big one, big one.
Estas son las famosas Torres Petronas, aunque yo más bien las definiría como las Torres del Coño.
It's about 9:30 in the morning in Kuala Lumpur. It's fucking hot, hot, hot and humid. And I just saw this Spanish guy running around this nice park where the tower is. You can see the tower. And he's trying to sweat out all the beer he drank. He's drinking a lot of beer every night. I think he had like 6 beers. I don't know. But he's running and running and running.
Y toda la cerveza se ha ido de nuevo. Es ese milagro que sucede cada mañana. Yeah, they are my friends. Son mis amigos ya. Todos los días, después de correr, me meto aquí como 2 kilos de fruta.
That's what King Kong needed. Needs every day. All the monkeys need a lot of bananas. So where the hell are we going now?
Back to caves. Maybe I like caves.
Okay, let's go.
Dark caves I like.
So let's go to the hidden cave.
Before, yeah, it's a British council.
Yeah, with the British were.
Big control.
Yeah, by the British. So the
Army independent.
Yeah.
In 1957, yes. And it come change to the High Court.
Now
yeah.
it's los juzgados, el Tribunal Supremo, the High Court.
Yeah.
But before it was where the British were. Yeah.
Photo.
Eh?
Bike.
Of course. You take a photo with the motorcycle. Gracias. Good. Aquí, la China.
La China.
Me están llenando el casco de piojos chinos. Bex. Eres muy cabezón. Tiene la cabeza muy gorda y no le cabe el casco.
Are you from Kuala Lumpur?
Yes.
Is it raining all the time?
Raining the whole day, eh?
Come for holiday.
Raining every day. Every day
This month, raining month.
En un hotel de lujo. Que tiene el trópico, aunque te cae un chaparrón de narices en cuanto te descuidas.
No, sí. Sí. Vale.
Aprende rápido. Bueno, pues le hemos dado un leñazo al cochecillo, pero el tío es majo, ¿eh? Y por 50 de estos me lo perdona. Ok.
Thank you so much, sir.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, understand.
La gente es maja y lo hemos solucionado rápido. Ok. Thank you.
Push your knee.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. After running, after fruits, what you definitely need in Kuala Lumpur is a good food, and you can get it right here at this place.
Hello.
You're gonna have some noodles. Beef noodles. Yes, for strong men.
No, big for the Spanish biker. Big noodles.
We might be there is one. Can I dance with you?
Pues estos son los noodles para el Spanish biker. Este platazo de fideos con ternera y trozos de ternera de verdad cuesta €1,50. Ternera, beef. The German monkey is also having her breakfast.
Next station, the place to be in Kuala Lumpur, you have to see the caves, you have to see the Buddha, and the monkey is going to see it too and take some pictures. Everybody, the monkey is flirting to everybody. Even the security guards. Señorita, no money, cerveza.
Yeah, that's my philosophy.
So how do you feel your traveling? How do you feel? Feel tired?
I hate it. I don't like it.
You don't like it really?
No, not at all, not at all. It's boring life.
Really?
No, I'm joking.
You're joking, yeah?
My legs are too short to play good soccer, so the only thing I can do is ride in a
Are
motorcycle.
you favorite in soccer no?
No, I hate soccer.
Very nice game.
Yeah.
So you must spend a lot of money traveling?
Oh, a lot of money, millions. I don't know, I don't remember. But I'm rich. Every morning I put my hands in my pocket and I get millions.
Right?
No, I'm joking.
Okay, good. Okay, see you.
Bye.
Where are we going now?
And we are going now to get bananas.
Monkey needs a lot of bananas.
Aquí delante del cartel de BDO en Kuala Lumpur, en Malasia, lo único que puedo decir es gracias a BDO por haberme apoyado siempre, desde el principio, desde mi primer viaje por África, haber estado siempre conmigo y de soltar algo más que cariño.
Okay, now finally the big monkey is going to get a lot of free food. I think they're gonna have more than bananas. It's gonna be Chinese bananas, dim sum.
Menuda comilona de chino bueno, no del chino de barrio de Madrid. El chino bueno nos estamos esperando.
Mi amigo is telling us how about the difference between India and Malaysia with the horn. Because in India, if you don't horn, you cannot drive. But here, if you honk,
you get fucked.
they are going to fuck you.
They ask you, okay, do you know why? Why India must why?
Why?
Many creatures crossing the road.
Many animals.
Many animals, human beings,
Animals, and monkeys.
and a lot of you. So that's the reason.
That's the reason. That's good, my friend. Okay. Cheers in Kuala Lumpur. That's good, yeah?
With the monster, yeah.
Monkeys back home in tropical guest house, back in the forest, back on the trees, and back with the tiger, back with the bear.
¿Habéis visto mis pantalones?